Look up at the night sky for a moment and let this thought sink in. Every tiny point of light you see is a sun, and around many of those suns are worlds. Worlds with oceans, skies, storms, mountains, maybe even cities glowing softly in the dark. Now here's the hook that should make your pulse rise. What if alien life isn't a future discovery at all? What if it's already out there right now, alive, evolving, watching its own sky, asking the same question we are? Are we really alone in the universe? Or have we simply been listening in the wrong way? Welcome to Cosmic Horizon Hub, and today we're diving deep into one of the most profound questions humanity has ever asked. Is alien life already out there? This isn't science fiction. This is real science, real data, and real mysteries that scientists are actively trying to solve. For most of human history, the idea of life beyond Earth lived only in myths and imagination. Ancient civilizations spoke of gods descending from the heavens, messengers from the stars, cosmic visitors guiding humanity. But today, for the first time ever, we have telescopes powerful enough to see planets around other stars, probes that have touched alien worlds, and equations that try to estimate how many civilizations might exist in our galaxy alone. The question has shifted. It's no longer if life could exist elsewhere. The real question is how likely it is that it already does. Let's start with something staggering. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, contains around 100 to 400 billion stars. That number is so large it almost loses meaning. Imagine counting grains of sand on every beach on Earth, then multiplying that number many times over. And now here's the twist. Astronomers estimate that most of those stars have planets. Not a few, most. Recent studies suggest there could be more planets than stars in our galaxy. Trillions of worlds, drifting silently through space. Among them are Earth-like planets, rocky worlds sitting in the so-called habitable zone, where temperatures allow liquid water to exist. And water, as far as we know, is the key ingredient for life. So let's ask a simple but powerful question. If life emerged on Earth relatively quickly after our planet cooled, why wouldn't it emerge elsewhere under similar conditions? Earth formed about 4.5 billion years ago, and evidence suggests that microbial life appeared less than a billion years later. In cosmic terms, that's fast, almost instant. It's as if life was waiting for the first chance to appear. That leads many scientists to believe that life isn't rare. It might be common, maybe even inevitable. This idea is captured in something called the Drake equation. It's not an answer, but a framework. A way to estimate how many communicative civilizations might exist in our galaxy. When you plug in modern data about star formation, planet frequency, and habitability, the numbers stop being comforting. Depending on assumptions, the equation suggests there could be dozens, hundreds, or even thousands of intelligent civilizations in the Milky Way right now. Which brings us to a chilling paradox. If alien life is common, where is everyone? This is known as the Fermi paradox. The universe is vast and old. Even with slow spacecraft, a civilization could spread across the galaxy in a few million years. That's a blink of an eye on cosmic timescales. So why don't we see alien megastructures, star-spanning empires, or clear signals screaming across space? Are we early? Are we isolated? Or are we missing something obvious? Let's zoom in closer to home. Our own solar system might already hold clues that life is not unique to Earth. Take Mars, for example. Once a wet world with rivers, lakes, and maybe even oceans. Robotic explorers have found dried riverbeds, mineral deposits formed in water, and organic molecules locked inside ancient rocks. Mars today is cold and dry, but billions of years ago, it may have been a cradle for microbial life. And here's the mind-bending possibility. If life arose on Mars and Earth independently, then life might be incredibly common throughout the universe. Or consider Europa, a moon of Jupiter. Beneath its icy crust lies a global ocean, more water than all of Earth's oceans combined. This ocean is heated by tidal forces, creating conditions similar to hydrothermal vents on Earth, places where life thrives without sunlight. Imagine alien microbes swimming in dark, warm waters beneath kilometers of ice, completely unaware of stars, planets, or galaxies. Then there's Enceladus, a small moon of Saturn that shoots plumes of water vapor and organic molecules into space. Spacecraft have flown through these plumes and detected the building blocks of life. Not proof of life itself, but the ingredients are there, mixed and ready. These aren't distant exoplanets light years away. These are neighbors, just next door in cosmic terms. Now, let's go even further. Beyond our solar system, astronomers have identified thousands of exoplanets, and that number grows every year. Some are bizarre beyond imagination. Planets made of lava, worlds with diamond interiors, gas giants orbiting so close to their stars that their atmospheres are being ripped away. But among them are planets that look eerily familiar, rocky, Earth-sized, orbiting sun-like stars. Scientists are now able to analyze the atmospheres of these distant worlds. They look for biosignatures, chemical fingerprints that might indicate life. Oxygen, methane, ozone. On Earth, these gases exist together because life constantly replenishes them. Without biology, they wouldn't last long. Detecting such a combination on another planet would be revolutionary. And we are close. Very close. New telescopes like the James Webb Space Telescope are already peering into alien atmospheres, searching for these subtle signs. Now here comes a twist that makes this question even more unsettling. What if alien life is already here, but not in a way we expect? When we think of aliens, we imagine little green beings, advanced spacecraft, radio signals beaming across the stars. But what if life exists in forms so different from us that we don't recognize it as life at all? On Earth, life exists in extreme environments once thought impossible. Deep underground, inside rocks, in boiling acid, near volcanic vents. Life that doesn't need sunlight or oxygen. If life can adapt so creatively here, imagine what evolution could produce on a planet with completely different conditions. Silicon-based life, plasma life, life living inside stars or floating in gas clouds. It sounds like science fiction, but scientists seriously explore these possibilities. There's also the idea of microbial hitchhikers. Life could spread naturally between planets through meteorites, a theory called panspermia. Rocks blasted off one planet by impacts could carry microbes to another world. If that's true, life in our solar system might share a common origin. We might be part of a larger biological family, scattered across space. And then there's the most controversial idea of all. What if alien intelligence is already observing us, not landing on the White House lawn, not making contact, just watching, waiting, or deliberately hiding? This concept is sometimes called the cosmic zoo hypothesis. The idea that advanced civilizations might avoid interfering with younger ones, just as humans try not to disturb animals in a nature reserve. From this perspective, Earth could be a protected habitat, observed from afar by intelligences millions or billions of years more advanced than us. It's a chilling thought, not because it's terrifying, but because it's humbling. Now let's talk about signals. For decades, scientists have been listening for artificial radio signals from space through projects like SETI. So far, nothing confirmed. But silence doesn't mean absence. Space is vast, and we've only searched a tiny fraction of it. Imagine dipping a glass into the ocean and concluding there are no fish because your glass came up empty. That's how little of the cosmic ocean we've sampled. There have been mysterious signals, though, fast radio bursts. Strange, powerful flashes of radio energy from distant galaxies. Most have natural explanations, but a few remain puzzling. And then there was the famous WOW signal, detected in 1977, a strong narrowband radio signal that appeared once and never again. To this day, it remains unexplained. Coincidence, interference, or something else. So let's pause and ask a question directly. If alien life exists, why haven't we found undeniable proof yet? One possibility is timing. Civilizations might rise and fall quickly on cosmic timescales. We might have missed them by millions of years. Another possibility is distance. Even at the speed of light, communication across the galaxy is slow. A message sent today might not arrive for tens of thousands of years. Or perhaps advanced civilizations don't use radio at all. Maybe they've moved beyond technologies we can detect. Or maybe the biggest twist of all is this: we are the aliens. To future civilizations, Earth might be the mysterious planet where intelligent life once arose. The universe doesn't owe us company, but it also doesn't favor solitude. Based on everything we know, the chemistry of life is common, the building blocks are everywhere, and planets are abundant. The odds seem to lean toward life being out there, somewhere, right now. Microbial, complex, intelligent, or something entirely different. The real question may not be, is alien life already out there, but are we ready to find it? Because the discovery of life beyond Earth would change everything. Our science, our philosophy, our understanding of who we are and where we belong. It would tell us that life is not a cosmic accident, but a natural outcome of the universe itself. And maybe, just maybe, somewhere out there, another mind is asking the same question, looking into their own sky, wondering if they are alone. If you enjoyed this journey through one of the universe's greatest mysteries, don't keep it to yourself. Share your thoughts in the comments. Do you think alien life is already out there? Or are we truly alone? Like the video if it sparked your curiosity. And subscribe to Cosmic Horizon Hub for more deep dives into the mysteries of the universe, because the horizon is vast and we're just getting started.